chicken here, it thawed a little bit, but it's still, you can hear it's froze pretty good. So the knife, still a loose grip on the knife. You don't ever want to have to grab the knife real tight. But even on frozen stuff, it just slides right through like it should. Just put a little motion to the blade, and you can tell it's good and froze. I mean, it's not like a brick, but it definitely is not soft on the top side of it, and it just cuts easy peasy. But just like that. So you can definitely cut frozen, raw or frozen, either one.
Just not hard as
yeah, don't take it out of the freezer and expect to cut it like that. You want to thaw it a little bit so it's got a little bit of, a little frozen, a little soft. Icy is what I tell people, just not a brick. But y'all get your bow knife out if you're not using it for your meat. You can get at it. Stay foxy.